just rolling in over here. I'm gonna find out. I gotta go ahead and find out where this Durango, where it's at, and what the deal on it is. I'm going here and talk to the office real quick. See what they say. Anyway, I just talked to the manager. She said, asked if there's gonna be problems. She said that if he sees me towing it, there might be problems. But anyway, she said she's been working with this guy for quite some time, several months. He's not complying about the car. Same area where I've had confrontations before with this area right here. This is not going to be an easy tow. Kind of got that feeling. This is going to be a tough one. It's got flat tires. Anyway, here we go. Let's get it. The office,
okay, let me call them because
but she said listen, it's got flats. She
got
said,
flats. Well, she know it's a slow leak, and we talked about this.
Well, she said she's tired of it. She wants to tow it.
Oh wait, hold on. Let me call her. Mom's gonna call you right back.
Well, she told me to tow it. Period. She said if you come out there, we'll call the law. Is what she said. She's fixing to tow it. She's gonna tow it.
And who did you talk to?
Huh? The lady in the office.
Which lady?
The manager. And I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not. I'm just, hey, they call us to tow them, we tow them. You know, I'm not trying to be mean to you.
She know about our tires and everything. They finna tow your truck. The man said that the realtor office said, manager said she tired of your truck sitting right here. I'm out here trying to get him not to tow it, but he said that they said that you have to tow the truck because it got flat tires. After we done told her. Tell
him to call her, because he talking to me don't do any good.
They towing it right now. They towing it right now. I can't stop him. He said that she said that she's trying to get right now. Where is this guy gonna be at?
I can give you the address and everything. And listen, tell him that hey, she said she gave him time. But she's got somebody above her that's making her do it.
No, the thing, ain't nobody. We have emailed her about him having slow leaks in his tires.
I know that. I understand.
So all we have to do is fill it up. So we filled it up, move it, fill it up, and move it.
I know.
So for her to say that she tired of it sitting here like it's been sitting here, that's not true.
Well, she's got somebody else at the regional manager.
No, that's her. Who did you talk to?
The lady in the office.
What lady in the office?
I don't know what her name is. See the tag? The tag's expired too. The one on the back's expired too. So
we're from Illinois, as you can see. I
understand.
Illinois license, our DMV is closed right now. They know that as well.
I just know that she just. I mean, it's 720 tag, and like I said, it's just what it is. Yeah, I'll give you the address for sure. I'll give you whatever you need. Hey, but if you're gonna get it back, just do it quick, because it adds up.
Yeah, no, we're coming today.
Yeah, just come get it. It's $175. Come get it quick as you can.
It's $175. What time do you close?
We close at 5.
They close at 5 o'clock today.
Well, listen, hey, it's gonna be the same price 24 hours from now. You got 24 hours from right now to get it.
24 hours from right now to get it.
And it'd be the same price.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me call them. They can't get in your car, babe.
Unfortunately, hit this other truck. Fix that. I got one hanging over the rail. What I'm gonna do, I'll pull up here to the office. And like I said, get out of gunshot range, and go up here to the office. And I'm gonna fix that, get that off the rail. I don't ride with them on the rail unless I absolutely have to. But it's not that difficult to fix that. I can fix that pretty easily. But this guy, see, he was on the phone with her, and he was hot. She was pissed about it too. Anyway, I got it back inside the rail. It wouldn't come inside the rail until I hit a speed breaker. When it was all said and done at that office, she flipped out and she yelled at that manager all the way back to her car. The manager ain't doing nothing but keeping her property up, man. It's not the manager's fault. It just ain't. Anyway, I'm gonna roll to the next. We're just rolling in hot over here. Got a handicap parking cheaters parking down here somewhere. Build number 8. I got a white Jeep that's been parked in a handicap spot all day. They told us it's been parked here all day. You know, evidently somebody at that building is handicapped. They don't have their parking place. You get caught parking in a handicap spot and get yanked, it's on you. That's what happens. If you ask me, there's not enough people that get towed parking in these disabled parking spots. There needs to be a whole lot more than what happens. Anyway, I'm gonna sign this thing out and get it out of here. That way they gotta come to the yard. Come to the yard and get it. It's stickered right there. And it was stickered right there. I might parked in this spot, that handicap spot, more than once. They ignored the first sticker and pulled it off and came back and parked in it again and got yanked. That's the way it goes. Just what happens.